Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change shirt color in SnapSeed. SnapSeed does not have a specific tool to directly change the color of an object like a shirt in a photo. However, you can achieve a similar effect using these steps mentioned on the video. First of all, go ahead and launch Open SnapSeed application and make sure to import a picture you'd like to work on. Once you go ahead and import an image, go to the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up the Tool option, go ahead and tap on the Selective option. Once you click on Selective, tap on the plus button at the bottom and tap on the shirt on the image. Now, adjust the brightness for your shirt by sliding your finger towards the right-hand side on the screen. If you swipe down from the screen, you will be able to select other menu from Contrast, Saturation, and Structure. Go to Saturation and increase your saturation for your image. Now go to Structure or make sure to increase the intensity of contrast as well, and that way you will be able to change the color of your shirt. You can also go ahead and use the Curve or Hue and Saturation tool in order to give it a better look. Tap on the tick mark at the bottom right after you make this change and get to the Tools option at the bottom again. Once you click on Tools, choose Curves. Now, tap on the RGB option and then pull the bottom part of the curve slightly upwards. Right after you do that, this will darken the shirt while potentially affecting the other light color in the photo. Simply go ahead and make use of filters within the curve option as well and pick the one that best suits your need. While there is no straightforward way to change the entire color for your shirt, you can simply go ahead and explore using the RGB tools and much more on SnapSeed. So that is the only way you can easily change the color on your SnapSeed account. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.